Hello students, welcome back in the second video of file management. Now before proceeding into the next topic of file management, let us first recap the things we have done in the last assignment. What was the first thing? What is file? The definition of folder, function of Window Explorer, steps to create folder on the desktop, and steps to create folder inside a drive. Hope you all have made a folder and named it. Okay, now the next topic is steps to create a file. The most common method to create a file is by using an application software. What is application software? The software which we used to do something, in which user can do something, and it is used in our day-to-day life. Examples: Word, that is MS Word, Notepad, Paint, etc. Now here is the step to create the Word document. Today we will use Microsoft Word and we will create a file in Word document. For that, first you have to open MS Word. Here also there are two ways in which you can open MS Word. The first is step by step by using Start menu. Click on Start, then All Programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word document. As you click on this, see this blank page is displayed on the screen. And just look at the title bar. What is written over here? Document 1. This is the name given by the computer. That is, this is the default name of the file. This name changes when you save the file. Now let me close this window first. The next step, how to open the Word file or Word document software. This is the icon of MS Word. You all know what is an icon? It is the symbol of the application software you are using. So double click on this icon. See, the Word window again opens with the blank page. Now type the text on the blank page. The text is typed, your file is created. Now children, if you switch off the computer now, this document will be erased from the memory of computer. If you need it again, you have to retype the same thing again by opening MS Word. So, for your convenience, we will save the file so that we can use it or access it or get it anytime when we need it. Means saving a file helps us to get the file whenever required. We can also make changes in it as and when required. If you do not save your file, you may lose your data when the computer is turned off. Okay. Now we are going to see the steps to save the file. Select File, that is the File tab, then click on Save. As you click on Save, the Save As dialog box opens. Can you see this? Yes. Now you are going to select the location. Location means earlier only I have explained you. You are going to keep everything in your folder so that it is easy for you to open the file whenever required. So you are going to find out your folder. How will you find out? Now first you remember where have you created the folder. I have asked you to create the folder on the desktop or in any drive. So let us first create the folder on the desktop as I have already created in the last class. Now I will find out that folder. How? On the left hand side we are going to find out the location. My folder was on desktop. So can you see there is a desktop written over here? So we will open desktop. How will you open it? Yes, by clicking on it. Single click. As I clicked on the right pane, this side, you will see all the folders that are on the desktop are displayed. Okay, can you see my folder is also there, Sudeshna? Now I am going to save my file inside this folder. That means I have to open this folder. How will you open? You select the folder. As you select the folder opens. And now you click on Save button. That particular file is now saved in your folder. Have you understood this? Okay. Now, so in the next class, children, we are going to learn how to open already saved file and folder and how to change the name of the file and the folder. That is renaming file and folder. Till then, first you do what are you going to do? First you create a folder on the desktop, then you create a file in MS Word, then save that file in the folder. This is your homework, that is practical homework. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and thank you for watching the video.